If you read my mind. Forget it. Bossing, hindi mo alam ng kasama ko. Maganda yung song na yun.
Hindi ka niya alam kasi dapat doon para sa tulong na yung alam na niya.
Stop. 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 Oh, yun yung gusto ni Bossing. This Mama requested song. Parang lason na din to.
Lason na natin to ah.
Lason na natin to. Ayun, thank you so much for being here at Barbie Day. Ayun, simula Monday to Sunday, iba't iba pagkagaling na performer ko ang nandito. Kaya sa mga may hawak na cellphone,
like me na.
you just love me. You smile, even what you don't even know me. You think I ain't smart, but I'm fine. Every joke always right behind me. Every other thing you got wasn't harder. Take a living at the storm and give it harder. Running down ways, it's just our face. Or really need someone forever. Don't you know it's going too far? Cause it's so hard you don't wonder. Don't you know, why can't you see?
Don't tell me something, love is always right now. Thank you very much. I need somebody with a human touch. Hey, you always on the run, gotta slow it down. Baby, gotta have some fun.
Always be together. Stay happy forever. Let you know the thinking doesn't run the border. Make believing doesn't always be each other. You know you love me, you gotta
Break down.
you gotta have to turn around. Don't you know it's going too far? It's so hard you don't wonder. Don't you know, why can't you see?
Don't tell me something, love is always right now. Thank you very much. I need somebody with a human touch. Hey, you always on the line, gotta slow it down, baby, gotta have some fun.
Ay, maraming salamat po kami yung Barbie Day. Very minutes. Like glad together with Ryan and Diva. And of course, support lang po natin ang bar. Repeat sa mga Monday to Sunday. It's always been around, but it's been testing and time. Indeed, risky. Get out of my case. You gotta slow it down, baby. Just get out of my face. Stop right now. Thank you very much. I need somebody, baby, my touch.
Hey, you always on the run, gotta slow it down, baby, gotta have some fun. Stop right now. Thank you very much. I need somebody with touch. Hey, you always on the run, gotta slow it down, baby, gotta have some fun. Right now, I need somebody with a human touch. Hey, you always on the run, gotta slow it down, baby, gotta have some fun.
Yes, maraming salamat po kami. Yes, and of course, by the way, my name is Pegla. Every Tuesday night here together with Krisa.
And of course, I'm Ryan Tita. Every Sunday po yan together with si ano? Si Ken. Pabago-bago kasi partner ko. Pero meron kami nga, this coming Sunday pala, before I forget. April 20, nandito po si Dax Martin, ang aming prime timer for that night.
Yes, and of course, don't forget to follow our Facebook page here at Barbie Day. And of course, para updated po kayo sa lahat ng mga nagaganap, sa mga nangyayari, sa mga bagong event at pangmalakasan. Ayan, and of course, ayan sa mga gusto pong umawit sa mga kanya-kanyang table,
Ito na po.
pwede na po kayong umawit, and of course, papatugtog lang po kami ng isa kasi hindi ka, makapasensya na hindi ko po alam yung song na ano, hindi din alam, patugtugin ko na lang tapos pwede na ulit kayong kumanta.
Thank you so much.
Sige, patugtugin na lang muna yung ano. Hindi, patugtugin na lang yung request tapos pwede na silang kumanta kasi request